The reason why you're handcuffed right now is that, like I told you, you're doing 117.
Yeah, I literally never go that fast. I have 0 speeding tickets.
At 117 miles an hour. Do you
It's
know
a
that
fast car.
Right. Do you know they just passed a new law, right?
No, I'm not aware.
So anything over 100 miles an hour or 50 miles above the speed limit, it's a misdemeanor. Okay?
So what does that mean?
You're being arrested for your speed limit.
On July 12, 2025, a driver was clocked at 117 miles per hour on a public highway and placed under arrest. She was charged with dangerous speed, a misdemeanor, under the state's new threshold statute. This is that stop.
Okay?
Mark 14, are you good for? 17. 17.
581. Copy, 10, buddy. Get your license?
Do you want to just stay here?
Let me get your license first, okay? So I'm off to your ace, by the way. I'm off to your ace, by the way. The reason I'm stopping you. You know how fast you're going there on 18? What's that? You know how fast? You want me to tell you how fast you're going? You're 117. 117. Why are you going so fast? Do me a favor, pull up into the Congo River parking lot there. Hey, can I get one more? Can I get one more? I'll be in the Congo River parking lot. Caroline, is it Caroline? How about I talk to you? You got shoes? Is this something? It's relaxed. Can you take this off? How old are you? Yeah. Oh,
If I drop my phone.
you won't get all that stuff, okay? We'll walk over here, okay? The reason why you're handcuffed right now is that, like I told you, you're doing 117.
Yeah, I literally never go that fast. I have 0 speeding tickets.
At 117 miles an hour. Do you
It's
know
a
they
fast car.
Right. Do you know they just passed a new law, right?
No, I'm not aware.
Okay. So anything over 100 miles an hour or 50 miles above the the speed limit. It's a misdemeanor. Okay? You understand that, right?
So what does that mean?
You're being arrested for your speed limit. Okay? Alright? It's not a joke, okay? 117, you're passing that car. You're in the far left lane. It's better on that car at 117 miles an hour.
Sorry.
Just because you're having fun.
Alright, I understand.
Okay?
Wait, why is he being arrested?
We'll get everything squared away, okay?
Oh, did they leave the car on?
What should I have? The keys in there?
I don't know.
Is it, whose car are they?
I think it is.
It's your car, right?
Yeah, it's my car.
Okay.
Should be in there.
Alright, is there anything on you? Because I'm going to have a female officer come search you.
Okay.
There's nothing on you?
No, I would prefer
Alright,
to have
so
my
who is
phone
that to you?
That's my husband.
That's your husband. Alright, did he tell you to slow down, or?
Yeah. Yeah, I
It's not-
understand. That's fast.
Okay? That's not a place to do it, right? If you want to go that fast, there's a racetrack for that kind of stuff. Okay?
Yeah, we know.
Because what you're doing is it's racing too, okay? It's considered racing. You're an exhibition of a speed. Alright?
Sorry, I really wasn't aware. I literally never go fast.
Alright, well, just hang tight.
Right.
We're
Wait,
gonna
I have a question.
What do
Why
you-
is he getting arrested?
Because everybody in the car for racing, it goes to jail, okay? I'm gonna go talk to him here in a second. But that's how it is. It doesn't matter. The people can walk. They be sitting on the side of the street watching racing. They can go to jail, okay?
But are we like actually going to jail, or is it like
Yes.
bond out type of situation?
No, you're going to jail, okay? Just hang tight. I'll come back and talk to you in a second. What's your name, boss?
Isaiah.
Did you know she was going that fast?
I wasn't looking at the speedometer. I can't see over it, but
Right.
it felt fast.
It felt fast, right?
Yeah.
Did you tell her to slow down at all, or did you want her to slow down?
I mean,
I get.
you know,
I understand.
I'm comfortable. You know, I'm not trying to.
No, you're just being detained right now, man. You have to understand that she was doing 117, okay? They just passed a new law. Anything over 100 miles per hour, or anything 50 miles above the posted speed limit, is a misdemeanor now, okay?
Yeah.
They're not playing around, okay? She's your wife, you said?
Yeah.
All right. Is that your car too?
Yeah.
All right. Do you have a valid license?
Yeah.
Where were you guys headed to?
I was headed to pick up a car part. It was like a what do you call it? It was like a sticker for the badges. It was just like some, you know.
Is that where you're coming from?
No, I was coming from home.
You guys were coming home. You guys were going to go pick up some stickers or stuff.
Yeah, some stickers for the car.
The stop itself is not in dispute. Under Whren versus United States, 517 U.S. 806, 1996, any directly observed traffic violation provides sufficient probable cause for a lawful stop. The arrest requires separate analysis. Under Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 318, 2001, a custodial arrest for a misdemeanor does not automatically violate the Fourth Amendment, even when the offense would otherwise carry only a fine. The statute the officer cited creates a misdemeanor for traveling over 100 miles per hour or more than 50 miles per hour above the posted speed limit, at 117 in a 67 zone. The driver triggered both thresholds simultaneously. The charge has a clear statutory foundation, and the arrest was constitutionally available. Where the legal reasoning cracks is on the passenger. The officer stated more than once that occupants of a racing vehicle and even bystanders watching from the roadside can be arrested. That is a misstatement of the law. Ybarra versus Illinois, 444 U.S. 85, 1979 is controlling. The Supreme Court held that mere presence at the scene of a crime does not establish probable cause for the arrest of any individual. Proximity is not participation. To be fair, the officer did not act on that overstatement. He charged only the driver and released the passenger. The discretionary decision was correct. The legal rationale offered to justify that authority was not. Miranda was delivered before post-arrest questioning, satisfying Miranda v. Arizona 384 U.S. 436, 1966. One phrasing error appeared, but courts have held that minor deviations do not invalidate a substantively complete advisement. The pat-down before transport was conducted by a same-sex officer and falls within the search incident to arrest doctrine under Chimmel v. California, 395 U. Yes, 752, 1969. No issues there.
Alright. Just like how. Hey, Caroline. I'm just going to read you something real quick. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him or present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford a hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questions of your race. You can sign anytime. Exercise these rights. Not answer the questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained? Is it a verbal yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So, like I explained to him, because you guys got dogs at home, and he's got a license, he's a registered, I'm going to let him take the car home, okay? So you guys can, so he can take care of the dog, okay? You seem like a good person. I think you just made a bad choice today, okay? Like I said, he just passed this new law. We're not playing around with these speeds anymore, okay? Like I said, anything over 100 miles an hour, or 50 miles above the closest speed limit, okay? You're looking at jail time, okay? So, I gotta do some paperwork. You gotta get a citation for me. I'm not gonna do the racing statute. I'm just gonna do the dangerous speed statute, okay? The 1 over 100 miles per hour, 50 miles above the closest speed limit. If I decided to do the racing charge, I could take both of you to jail, okay? But I'm not doing that, alright? Hopefully this will be your last one, alright? Alright?
Step out for me. And Shadow's handcuffs. Face that way. Okay, once I shadow this one, I want you to put this hand on top of your head for me, okay? Put it on top of your head. There you go. Alright, you can relax. Come on over here. Alright, just right here. Hang tight right here for a second.
I'm not trying to be rude. I don't understand.
Okay, because if the officer wanted to, or if I wanted to, I could charge you with racing. Okay? Being a passenger in the car, that's racing. Exhibition of speed of the vehicle, which means you go to jail too. Okay? That kind of behavior is not acceptable at all. You want to race, go to the tracks. Okay? You want to have fun doing 117 miles an hour on 19, go to the tracks. Okay? You hit somebody out here doing that, kill somebody, hurt somebody severely, just a good part of your life is going to be gone. You understand? Okay. Your wife wants to speak with you. I'm going to ask this officer if it's okay. And if that's okay, then, you know, we'll bring you up to the window and let you speak to her real quick. Right. We're going to let you take the car.
Do you know, like, what's happening? Like, what's gonna happen?
Do you?
Yeah.
So, like, am I, like, sleeping there? Like...
You may have a bond. Okay? Just depends. I don't know if you've been in trouble before, any kind of criminal history, anything like that. Just on display, but they'll tell you what your bond is over there. Okay, it's probably a small bond, somewhere around $500
Do
or
you know,
so.
like, where it is? Is it the...
Yep, 49th Street. All right. So what happened is I wrote down his number for you because your phone was completely dead. Once you're able to, you'll be able to make your phone call from the jail, and you can make your arrangements on how you're going to get out and how you're going to get picked up and whatnot. Okay. All right.
Can I give him a kiss?
Nope. Unfortunately. There you go. That should go. I was going to say, just real low, okay? All right.
Hi, how are you? I'm Officer Atwater Police Department. I'm here just to conduct your search, okay? Do you mind stepping out for me? Have you faced the vehicle? And take a step away from the car? And widen your stance for me? Okay, perfect. Anything on your person I should know about? Regular bra or is it sport? Alright, I give everybody this discretion, okay, so don't take it personally. Anything on you at all whatsoever. Okay, any introduction of contraband into the jail is an additional felony. I'll be happy to charge you with it if they find anything, so that's why we like.
The arresting officer receives a B. The stop was legally sound. Miranda was delivered, and discretion was applied correctly on the charging decision. He also showed basic human consideration, writing down the husband's contact number and allowing him to take the vehicle home. The deduction comes from the repeated overstatement of passenger criminal liability under the racing statute. Telling a passenger he could be arrested for riding along is not a supported legal position under Ibarra. The outcome was correct. The stated authority was not. The driver receives a C+. 117 miles per hour on a public road is not a gray area legally or factually. She complied after the arrest announcement and cooperated with the search. That matters and is reflected in the grade. The passenger receives an A-. He stayed composed, did not interfere, and did not escalate. The deduction he volunteered that the speed felt fast without invoking his Fifth Amendment right to silence. Small, but avoidable. Every encounter like this one leaves something worth carrying forward. Here are 5 lessons from this stop. Lesson 1. Speed thresholds that trigger criminal arrest are written into statute. At 100 miles per hour, or 50 over the limit, a custodial arrest is constitutionally available. Atwater versus City of Lago Vista confirmed that in 2001. Lesson 2. Being a passenger does not make you liable for the driver's conduct. Ibarra versus Illinois is clear presence alone is not participation, and an officer cannot lawfully arrest you solely for riding along. Lesson 3. Do not volunteer information about speed, awareness, or what you observed. If detained, invoking your Fifth Amendment right, no questions without an attorney, is all that needs to be said. Lesson 4. Miranda rights attach before custodial questioning, not before the arrest itself. Saying you understand your rights is not the same as waiving them. You can confirm comprehension and still remain silent. Lesson 5. Officer discretion is a variable, and it cuts both ways. It protected the passenger here. That same discretion, exercised differently under the same statute, could have produced an unlawful arrest. Know your rights regardless. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. We read all of them. If there is a Bodycam interaction or legal question you want covered, let us know.